everybody. We have been a while between videos, and it may be that like that for a little while, because the weather has not been good here. And we're near Cincinnati. We're in Ohio, southern Ohio, and we've had a lot of snow and cold weather. And I don't know if I told you guys this, but I am a letter carrier at the post office, and the holiday season is really busy for people at the post office. And I start out really early in the morning, and sometimes don't get home until pretty late in the evening, especially during the holidays. And then Raquel, she is
I work nights.
Yeah, she's nights STNA, and so there's really very little time for us to get together and do a video. But we've had some projects. I don't know if Raquel wants me to mention this, but we lost her father yesterday. Raquel's father passed away yesterday, and it's been really, it's hard for the whole family. I want to think that it was kind of unexpected, but for us, like, we had known that he had had some health issues, and but it's kind of what we're going through right now. And mother, my mother-in-law, Mila, is here with us, and so it's really hard for her to be so far away from the family while this is going on. But other than that, we've had some stuff that we've been doing. We've been trying to grow some herbs.
Yeah, we've been planting. You've been doing works. You've been putting shelves.
Yeah.
All of that.
So I have some video of some shelving units that I built for the kitchen. We just needed some extra storage, almost like a little pantry. So I'll put some video in here, and I'll show you the shelves that I built for the kitchen. They're pretty rudimentary shelves. They're really easy shelves. I think they came out really good. But they're really easy. We are making a shelf for the kitchen today. We need storage in preparation for summer and our garden and canning things, and just a good place to store all of our stuff. And then Raquel has a really nice little herb. She's developing a green thumb. So I built shelves for her to put her plants by the window, so they get some sunlight. But after that, we added some grow lights. Basically, they're LED lights that when you buy LED lights for growing, you have to get them at a high Kelvin and a high lumen. So we bought the highest Kelvin and lumen lights that we could that were LEDs, so they don't take so much electricity. And then, what are some of the things that you're growing over there?
I have spinach. We'll show you. I'll show right here.
Yeah. So tell them some of the things, and I'll show them.
Yeah, we start from seeds. We have spinach, thyme. What else? Oregano.
Basil, right?
Basil. We have a lot of Thai peppers. Yeah. What else do we have?
Quite a few things. Rosemary.
Yeah, I have some.
What's the one that's not growing yet? So how long have we had them in there so far? Like from seed?
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks from seed, and I'll show you. See, this is kind of what they look like now, and they've grown pretty good in 3 weeks. Yeah. So we've replanted a lot of them. So if you see the big container, that's all spinach, because we'll be using we use a lot of spinach. You use a lot of the leaves, and then a lot of the things are growing pretty good. The first thing to come up was the mustard, and now it's
dying.
It's not looking good.
I'm learning.
Yeah,
I don't know. It's probably the water that I put in.
We've been using water with banana peel soaked in, because you heard it's good for the potassium nitrate, stuff like that. Yeah, and so we've been trying to use some water that we have soaked banana peels in to give them a little bit of extra vitamins and nutrients and stuff. But other than that, really just so busy.
We were just busy working, and our plants outside is pending, and because you know there's still a lot of things to do outside. The trees, it's really expensive to cut them down. I want to cut it down, but they're very expensive. I don't know.
Yeah, as I showed you guys in the previous video, we have a lot of huge trees outside with no limbs on the bottom. The limbs are at the top, and they're probably 60 foot tall or 70 foot tall. And we really want to get them cut down, but the $1,000 a tree is just cost prohibitive for us to try to get them all taken out, because we probably got 30 trees back there, 25 or 30 trees.
Yeah.
But that is something that we need to do, because in the summer, starting in spring or whatever, we're going to try to have some rabbits and chickens and a garden. You know, there's a lot of things that need to go back there, and so we need all that extra room that we can get. And then we have a trip planned for the spring.
So I don't know, maybe after the trip we'll get animals, because we can't do that before the trip. So.
Yeah, so in the spring, in June, we can't...
We're planning to have a trip.
Yeah, we can't have just nothing. Like, we always got to be wandering around, so we're going to go to Arizona, Nevada, Arizona, and California, and take a little tour, and we'll let you guys see that. We're not going to talk too much about it, but it should be fun. You know, we already have some of our destinations planned, and we'll let you know more about that in the future.
Yeah.
Now, everybody here's been sick. Colleen, I think, maybe brought home a bug from school, and Walden got a fever and wound up getting up, and he was vomiting, and Raquel got it, and Mother,
I didn't get it.
You did a little bit, didn't you?
A little bit. Did I?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And my mother-in-law, Mila, she got it. Everybody was sick for a while except for me. I'm like a horse or something, you know. I'm really...
What do you mean? You were sick?
No.
You were sick. You went to the hospital. Oh no, but not recently. But when you get
like
sick,
a long time ago.
When
like,
he gets sick, he will go.
Yeah, when I get
take me to the hospital. Yeah, that's why.
When I get sick, I get really sick, and I'm a big baby. When I get sick, like I can't weather the storm.
You're a baby.
Yeah, but fortunately, I don't get sick often. But what I'm talking about this time, when Colleen brought home the bug, which I think she did, because you know the little kids there, maybe they're not so diligent in their hygiene practices, washing their hands and make sure they don't sneeze, because kids do that. And Colleen's, unlike when we're living in the RV, you know, like it's just us, and we don't really have the bugs to spread around. Now that she's around all these kids, she's bringing home all those germs, and so
yeah.
So we're bringing home, and you know what? It was kind
the
of
flu season too.
Yeah, right. It was kind of a scare, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I hope everywhere you guys are, wherever who's watching, I hope your winter is good. Nobody's getting sick with you guys.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, because I mean, what they were talking about this, you know, I don't watch a lot of news, because to me it's kind of depressing. You know, if I see it coming out when I walk out the door, if I see it coming, I know that there's a problem. But yeah, I'm really kind of. I don't know, news doesn't really appeal to me very much, but I did wind up seeing that there was like this super flu or something out right now where, you know, a lot of people are getting sick and some people have died from it. So, but I hope that your family and everybody that you guys know are okay. But I mean, this is our lives right now. The videos are going to come slow because, I mean, basically we don't want to bore you guys. You know, like we're just living our lives. Like our day-to-day life is basically, I mean, we work and we come home, and when we're home, we try to spend that time together. Maybe we're going to watch TV or watch a movie. The kids, you know, Colleen goes to school 5 days a week, and Walden's here with my mother-in-law and us when we're here. Mm-hmm. And so we've been working on his reading and math. I mean, some of his numbers and stuff like that. Right now, he's just sitting here. Can you come say hello to everybody? Look, his hair is getting out of control. Don't get very close. Come back here with us.
Hello.
Tell everybody how you're feeling.
I'm feeling good.
We're trying to save his hair
till spring. We're going to let him grow out till spring. All right, so in finishing, I just want to say that it's shocking and surprising to me, because we have been so rare right now in the past couple months on our videos. that our channel has been growing, and it's been growing steadily, and it's been like people still have been commenting, and I apologize. I'm going to try to start making sure now that Christmas and the holidays are over, I'm going to start replying to more of the comments, and we really appreciate your comments.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people have said a lot of really encouraging things, and a lot of people have asked questions that really needed some answers, and I always try to get back to those. But you know, that's it. We really appreciate it. Make sure, if you can, subscribe. You know, subscribe to the channel. Just click it right now. It's very easy. Just click subscribe to the channel.
We're just making videos wherever.
Yeah. I mean, we're just your average family.
Yeah, just normal, crazy sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
We are kind of crazy sometimes.
Yeah.
But subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment. Let us know how you feel, what you think, you know, anything, your ideas, and you know, repost us on Facebook and Twitter. You know, just let everybody know about us, and you know, because of the weather changing and stuff like that, you know, definitely there's going to be a lot more interesting videos, hopefully, because we're going to be doing a lot more things outside, a lot more other things, and hopefully some more informative videos like you guys liked. With our facts about the Philippines and about full-time our facts that we did about full-time RVing. I'm sure that we're going to have some ideas in the future about other things that you guys really want to know about and see. But I think that's it. Right?
Yeah.
So it's been a long video, a long explanation at the end.
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time.
We're the Brown family.
Yep. Bye.
I like to see Donald Trump go on Ninja Warrior.